Happy Friday, Los Al USD. I'm Nicole Pichardo, and this is your wrap-up for Friday, April 26, 2024.
This week's episode of The Wrap-Up kicks off with a highlight of an exciting day for our Griffins. On Wednesday, Ryan Seacrest, accompanied by his co-hosts and former Griffins, Sissany and Tanya Rad, visited Los Alamitos High School to celebrate 20 years of KIIS-FM and their On Air with Ryan radio show. Ryan, Tanya, Sissany, and the KIIS-FM street team joined our Griffins during lunchtime for a fun-filled gathering, snapping photos, distributing t-shirts, and reminiscing about Tanya and Sissany's days as Griffins. Adding to the excitement, Ryan and his team generously donated $5,000 to LAHS. In other high school news this week, the LAHS Mental Health Club, known as Los Al NAMI, partnered with our advanced film students to screen 6 films they produce for a statewide Directing Change film contest. Directing Change aims to utilize these films to further support mental health awareness, education, and advocacy efforts. In its 12th annual competition, organizers received over 1,000 film submissions from over 175 schools, and our Los Al students clinched first place in 2 categories, with 1 film advancing to the state-level competition. We also want to send a shout out to our LAHS Drumline, who captured gold in the SCPA finals earlier this month. Drumline and Color Guard will also host their annual Spring Showcase this Sunday, April 28th at 1 p.m. in the LAHS gym. And this week, LAHS senior Riley Robles was one of 3 students from across the county who delivered keynote speeches at the inaugural Student AI Convening. Riley also led a session that taught students from across the county how to use AI. We're so proud of Riley for representing Los Al. Open houses continued this week for our Rossmoor schools. Weaver, Hopkinton, Lee, and Rossmoor all opened their doors to welcome families for open house. Board members and district administration joined the community for what is one of our favorite times of the year. What a joy it was to walk through classrooms and see all of the incredible work on display, from STEAM fair projects to self-portraits to gardens and more. It was a beautiful night. Also this week, board and executive cabinet members made special stops to McGaugh Elementary and McAuliffe Middle School to celebrate some of the district's longest-serving employees. McGaugh and McAuliffe staff members were celebrated for their dedication and longevity with the district, with some employees celebrating over 30 and even 35 years of service with the district. Speaking of employee recognition, we also surprised and announced our March Rock Stars of the Month. Certificated Rock Star of the Month is Karen Recker, 5th grade teacher at Lee Elementary, and our Classified Rock Star is Lisa Wallace, Administrative Assistant to the District Office and our Safety and Student Services and HR Department. Congrats to all of our Rock Stars and nominees. And last but certainly never least, this week our McGaugh Sea Lions celebrated the many military families in our district with a week dedicated to the military child. If you aren't familiar, April is nationally recognized as Month of the Military Child. This week, McGaugh held various activities including spirit and dress-out days, displays from different arms of the military, and a special flag ceremony on Friday to honor McGaugh's over 150 military students. Well, that's the wrap-up for this week. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend.